In this video, we are going to see about cloud services. We have three basic cloud service models: software as service, platform as service, and infrastructure as service. First, infrastructure as service. It is the basic cloud service model. It provides physical resources such as compute nodes, storage, or network components as virtual machines. Virtual machines are run as guests by hypervisors such as Zen or KVM. Cloud users deploy their application by installing operating system images on the machines as well as their application software. Cloud providers typically bill IaaS service on a utility computing basis. That is, cost will reflect the amount of resources allocated and consumed. We have IaaS offerings from public clouds. They are Amazon EC2, GoGrid, Rackspace, FlexiScale in UK, and Joint Cloud. They use Zen Hypervisor, and guest OS used are Linux and Windows. Next is platform as service. Cloud providers deliver computing platform including operating system, programming language, execution environment, database, and web server. Platform cloud is an integrated computer system consisting of both hardware and software infrastructure. User application can be developed on this virtualized cloud platform using some programming languages and software tools supported by the provider. User doesn't manage the underlying cloud infrastructure. PaaS model enables collaborated software development platform for users from different parts of the world. This model also encourages third parties to provide software management, integration, and service monitoring solution. PaaS offerings from public clouds, Google App Engine, Salesforce.com's Force.com, Microsoft Azure, Amazon Elastic MapReduce, and Aneka. The target applications are web application, big table storage, business applications like CRM, data processing and e-commerce applications, .NET enterprise application, and high performance computing application. They use language such as Python, Java, and Eclipse based IDE. Software as service provides install and operate application software in the cloud, and cloud users access the software from cloud clients. Pricing model for SaaS application is typically a monthly or yearly flat fee per user. So price is scalable and adjustable if users are added or removed at any point. On the customer side, there is no upfront investment in servers or software licensing. On provider side, costs are kept rather low compared with conventional hosting of user application. Example include Microsoft Office 365, Google Apps, GoToMeeting, Constant Contact, Oracle CRM, NetSuite, Workday Inc., Salesforce.com. And this is the cloud service model at different services. We have SaaS, which is implemented through a client interface through which users submit the requests. Next, we have the PaaS, which has two components, launch queue and monitor queue, which accepts the request. And once the request is executing, it will be monitored by the monitor queue, which has monitor controller. Apart from this, we have billing queue and billing service also. And at the IaaS level, we have the computing elements, distributed file system, and database. I have also given previous year Anna University questions from this topic. Thank you.